Today we are testing stain resistance on a natural oak veneer panel. The world of veneer is huge. Different wood species, different finishing methods. So the results of this test apply only to this specific sample, finished with acrylic oils. Let's start staining. For me, this is a very interesting test. Artificial materials behave predictably, but natural wood is a different story. Now we let the stains dry. The stains are dry, and we start cleaning with water. Now fairy. Now sieve. Interesting point. On previous samples oil stayed on the surface. Here it soaked into the veneer. Now let's try vodka. Now a melamine sponge. The sponge itself wears down a lot on the surface. Before testing acetone, I want to check the current results. Some wine and betadine remain in the pores. The marker is still not removable. Now acetone stress test. The marker comes off instantly. But we need to check how the surface handles intensive cleaning with acetone. I don't see any damage. Now I'll try to fully remove the remaining wine and betadine from the pores. A lot to effort, but no success. I recommended using brushes or small tools that can reach deep into the pores. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera. But there are micro traces of wine and betadine here. They are very small. In some cases you might not notice them at all. But it depends on the position of the facade. If it's lower, you won't see it. If it's eye level, it can be noticeable. Now you know more about veneer. There are some nuances, but nothing critical. Overall, it's fine. Since I fill in the test table after completing all tests and during editing, the data in the table may slightly differ from what you see in the video, because over time some additional details can appear. For example, in this video the marker was easily removed with acetone, but in the upcoming fire and water test you will see the long-term result of that cleaning. That's why the marker gets 0 points. As a result, veneer turned out to be the weakest material among all tested samples. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.